RV&FJ plus reviews.
Hello and welcome to RV&FJ. Today's going to be a very short episode. When we brought the RV home, we didn't realize that since we were on a pond, we were on mostly sand. The RV started to quickly sink into the ground, so a ramp had to be built. You can kind of notice that this piece of land slopes towards the water and goes downhill. So I had to build a little foundation of pressure-treated wood. You can see there the imprints of the RV's tires into the ground. And we slowly started to build a ramp out of layers and layers of pressure-treated lumber. Wasn't cheap, wasn't easy, had to keep measuring to make sure that we were doing it right. This is it, the first half. Completed but not screwed together yet because we were still making many adjustments. But eventually we got it set up so that it was right. But of course, what did I do? I forgot to film it. So here is some footage from a different angle when it was completed. I was filming the FJ, but in the background you can see the RV is sitting on the completed ramp. There's the front half of it completed, and there's another shot there. So, live and learn. Guess we had to do some extra work to get it to sit so it wouldn't sink into the ground, but it's done.